are the UAGC, the Urban Assembly School for Green Careers, and this is our program. It's the garden internship. Yeah, so I'm David.
I'm Darrelle.
And I'm Jarlyn.
Yeah, this is me. I'm over there in the left corner, and this is our farm. So basically, in this internship, we have the agriculture, internship, and also the buildings internship. And like what we do here is something that we get to share as a community, not only for us, but also for the people that are outside of our internship. What we do here is basically we take care of the crops and stuff, and we harvest them and stuff like that to be sold, for the farm stand. And we also have beehives. So we have hives there, and we collect the honey, and we use that to sell it to the people that are outside of the community. And in our farm stand, we have like bok choy, collard greens, kale, mint, and also honey to sell.
So in our outdoor garden is where like our builder internship does. Like they create like the scaffold you see a little over there in that second picture on the first one. It's like basically protecting the lake for anything to go in, like anything disastrous or like anything negative that could affect it. And also here we have like we decorated our agriculture pond. That's an agriculture pond, by the way.
So here you could see pictures of us working in the garden and planting, taking out our hydroponics that were inside to plant them.
So here is an image of our students in the green careers working on a compost. Like making fresh soil out of aftermath of dirt or trees, whatever. Here we have a picture of our classroom where we have our hydroponic system. And our hydroponic system is like an indoor garden where we have light that's substituting for sunlight that could make plants like our plants you see in the image grow and have life just like plants in a garden. And it takes a lot of time and effort to ensure the system is full effect on a daily basis for the plants.
Here we have our farm stands. You can see the pictures. And basically in these farm stands, we produce these fresh organic vegetables and stuff like, collard greens, bok choy, mint, and kale. And in this farm stand, we also have the opportunity, as we share these things with them, they give us good feedback to help us improve our, format. And they give us good feedback usually, and usually when they come, they're always, happy, and they feel very welcome. As we share these things, we try to get the ones that usually the people like the most, and we try to keep growing them. And and the honey. The honey is it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Here we have our bees and our beehives. This is our most profitable product. What we do is we have a whole bunch of bees in our garden, and they help keep up the garden system because bees are good for flowers. So like they pollinate the flowers, they give us fruits and vegetables, and they also give us honey. What they do is they collect pollen and they make the wax.
And this is what we could do in the future. So if we want to use the bee wax to make candles or other household products. And we have fun in our intern as well, like making ice cream out of the rosebuds, which are like little flowers in that image, little tiny flowers. They taste good though, low-key. So thank you for listening.